Relationship between AM, GM and HM. Case number 1. If observations are different in size, then we can prove that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. Different in size. Different in size means when the value of x is different, like when the value of x is 2, when the value of x is 4, when the value of x is 6, when the value of x is 8, when the value of x is 10. These are the values which are different in size. We can say that these are the values which are different in size. Then we can prove that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. Let's prove this with an example. I am taking the value of x is 2 and 4. Arithmetic mean AM, GM, HM. The value of AM is A plus B divided by 2. That is A plus B. Here A is 2, B is 4. Divide by 2. We will get the value 3. The formula of GM is root over A into B. Root over A into B. That is root over 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. Root over of 8 is 2.8482. The formula of HM. N divided by 1 divided by x1 plus x2. 1 divided by x2. Here x1 is 2 and x2 is 4. Now we will put the value of n, that is 2. 1 divided by x1 is 2 plus 1, x2 is 4. By solving this, we will get the value 8 divided by 3. We will divide 8 with 3, then we will get the value 2.6667. Hence, we can see that when the data are different in size, then we can see that AM is greater than GM and GM is greater than HM. The value of AM is 3, the value of GM is 2.8482 and the value of HM is 2.667. Case number 2. If the observations are identical. Here identical means constant. Constant. I am taking the value of x is 2 and 2. We can take any value which is constant. We can take the value of 1 and 1, 4 and 4, 3 and 3, 5 and 5, 6 and 5. The value should be constant. Then we can prove that AM is equal to GM and GM is equal to HM. Let's prove this with an example. AM, GM, HM. AM, the formula of AM was A plus B divided by 2. Here A is 2 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 plus 2 4 and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. The formula of GM was root over A into B, that is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4 and root over of 4 is 2. The formula of HM was N, means number of observation 2, 1 divided by x1. x1 is here 2 plus 1, x2 is here 2. After solving this, we will get the value 4 divided by 2. We will cut this value, we will get 2. Hence, we can clearly see that when the data are identical, means constant, then we can prove that the value of HM is equal to GM and the value of GM is equal to HM. Case number 3. If two positive numbers are given, two positive number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, any two positive numbers we can consider. I am considering the value of AM, HM and GM which I have solved earlier. The value of AM, GM was 3, 2.8482 and 2.667. Then we can prove that if two positive numbers are given, then we can prove that AM into HM is equal to GM square. AM into HM, the value of AM is 3 multiplied by HM 2.6667. We will get the value 8 is equal to GM square. When we will square the value of 2.8284, we will get 8. Hence, it is proof that if two positive numbers are given, then AM into HM is equal to GM square, and if observations are identical, then the value of AM is equal to GM and the value of GM is equal to HM. And case number 1, if the observations are different in size, means the value of X is different in size, then AM, the value of AM will be greater than GM and the value of GM will be greater than HM. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all of you.